Hey, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So today we are going to fix your brain's attention switch. Quick question before we start. How many times did you check your phone in the past 10 minutes? Not a single time. Same here. Hey, no shame. We all can be honest in this space. So we all have got the same broken brain. We can just rebuild it. Yes, that brain your phone's been messing with. And don't worry, you don't need to throw your phone in the lake. Just keep it. We just need to retrain the brain. Meet dopamine. Everyone calls it the pleasure chemical, but it's actually do it again, do it again, do it again chemical. It's more of a motivation switch. Every like, every text, every notification is a release in dopamine, and that dopamine is in your pocket. It's your phone. And it's not just a phone, it's like a slot machine. Except for the coins, we are dealing with your attention. And remember, the house always wins. Every time your brain starts asking you that, why do the hard task when we can get dopamine in an easy way? Check out this. This is your brain. It's on a seesaw. So it's like, why do the hard task when we can get the quick hits, quick dopamine right here in your pocket? Slow dopamine hits you get when you do reading, writing, producing something, creating something, and the quick hits you get it from your phone, from scrolling, from likes, from message from your crush. I'm not saying that don't make a girlfriend, but at least know what's happening inside your mind so you know how to balance your life. All right? So, yeah, that's just your brain being very efficient, getting the quick dopamine hits, but only in the worst possible way. Your brain is sometimes your own enemy. Good news, your brain is not broken permanently. It's like clay, you can mold it. So, scientists have discovered this neuroplasticity. So, it means that we can always train our brain and we can mold it and we can build new habits. So there's no magic button. All you need to do is retrain your brain. It's like going to the gym, except for training for your muscles, you are going to train your attention span. Quick honesty break. You thought this video can solve your issues instantly, right? But your brain is not a microwave. You need some consistency. And believe me, I wish if it were possible for you and for me, for everyone, that we could do this instantly. But we need to do some retraining. So are you with me? Are you ready? Let's go. Step number 1. Turn off all the notifications. All those notifications are just stealing your dopamine by pinging you on your phone again and again. Try to remove the noise from your life. The brain needs more calm environment. So give it that. Number 2, when you're sitting alone, just don't reach out for your phone. When you're waiting for someone, when you're waiting at a clinic, when you are having an appointment and you're just sitting, don't reach out for your phone. Try to just relax and try to learn to get bored. Nowadays, I've seen videos on YouTube where people just look at a wall for a long time. And what they are doing, they are actually training their brain to deal with boredom. So it's terrifying. It's terrifying, but boredom is the gym for your attention and your mind. And you will also learn some patience. Step number 3, make small rewards feel good again. Start reading, writing, and if you go for 10 minutes without your phone or without your TV, just celebrate that moment. Even a small win is a win, and your brain will learn, oh, when I'm taking slow hits of dopamine, when I'm doing the tasks which are boring, are now rewarding by, celebrating. Keep doing this and you will enter in flow state, the painters, coders, musicians, the artists crave, that state that everyone loves, when you just forget about everything in this world. You forget about the time, you forget about your phone, you forget about everything. You make some great things when you are in flow state. You know that, right? If you don't know, learn about flow state. It's amazing. So flow state happens when there's less stimulation, not the opposite. So here's the idea. Your brain just got hooked onto small hits, but you can retrain your brain. And yeah, quick dopamine hits is nowadays a part of modern life, but you can always come back and retrain yourself, balance your life, and we all will meet on the other side. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.